After years of working in marketing, it comes down to this important concept. If you understand this concept, you can build yourself a high converting funnel, which gives you an inflow of high quality leads without worrying how to get your next big client every other day. Hi, I'm Anurag, and I'll be taking you through the three important stages on creating a high converting funnel for your users. Every other marketer or a business owner gets confused on how to create an important funnel for their users. Before creating a funnel, just understand these three important concepts. So basically, the first step is awareness. Awareness is when you bring your services and product in front of your consumers. It's this most important step. If the users and the consumers are not even aware that you exist, how will they even use your product or service? So make sure you create content or an ad which reaches to your end consumer. So that is the first step. The second step is the engagement stage. Engagement means now at the awareness stage, you hit the pain point. You told about what the users might be going through and you might have a solution for it. Engagement stage is when you showcase what that exact solution can be. So engagement stage is about convincing the user why they should come to you. So make sure that your engaging landing pages or wherever you want them to land on are engaging enough so that you can take them to the next step. When you talk about engagement, it has different elements to it. So when you say engagement, that means you're actually addressing multiple questions. Why they should come to you, what do you have in place, how is it different from the rest of the competition, what is your USP, how many clients have you serviced. So like this, there are different parameters which creates engagement and takes the user to the next step of convincing. So when you talk about engagement, make sure you address all these things in through your content so that the user gets convinced that you are the right person for them. And engagement doesn't mean you need to convert each and every customer. When you're creating a funnel is not only for getting your dream client. It's also about vetting out the people who are not even interested in your service. So when they're not interested, they would not get engaged in what you have to provide anyway. So funnel is not only just about filtering the right people for you, it's also about filtering out the wrong people out of the system. So make sure your content, your engagement is very targeted and is addressing only a specific problem set. Okay. So engagement becomes very important here. And the third step is the conversion. Once the engagement is done and you get the lead, the third step is when you actually convince the lead to become a customer or a paid customer for you. So this is where you convince them that this is what you have. So here is where the customer is convinced that you have a solution. The customer is now choosing which is the best solution in the market. Is it you or someone else? So here is where the convincing power, any offers or discounts that you might have, or any specific USP or any specific feature that is in additional to what the others are providing in the market. So if you have something like that, it will be great to showcase that because that will be your USP and that will be over and above of what you are already providing. So basically make sure that whenever you are in the conversion stage, you are all out. You talk about yourself, you create a story behind why you're doing it, how has it helped so many other people during this process. So basically you explain all those aspects and that's when you create a strong offer for your customers. When you understand the pain point, problem area, and you solve each and every problem of the consumer, may it be the smallest to the largest of the problem during their journey, you need to solve each and every problem. That's when you'll have a really good product and service. So during the conversion stage, you need to talk about each and every aspect the user is going through. And it's always a continuous process. Wherever you think your product or the service lacks something, take user feedback and make sure that you refine your product and service and repitch to the same customer or to the next customer in such a way that they don't face the same issue that you have faced before while converting. So these were the three important steps while creating your funnel. I'll see you in the next video.